Hi everyone, it's me again, Erin. Welcome to Module 8, which is the very last week of our class. In this video, I'm going to walk you through this week's activities and assignments. And my apologies ahead of time, I've come down with a cold this week, so if I'm a little scratchy or have a sniffly nose, my apologies ahead of time. As normal, we can take a look at our overview and our agenda. Here in the agenda, you can see that we're covering the topics of intelligence as well as stress and health. And you can see a list here of the assignments that you're being asked to complete this week. Many of them are usual assignments, but we also have some special end-of-class assignments this week as well. Now let's head over to the lectures and readings folder. You can see that your reading assignment this week is chapters 10 and 14 in your textbook. There is also a short video here on the relationship between stress and health. This video, it supplements material from your textbook, but given that we all lead very busy, often stressful lives, I thought it was important that we cover this particular topic pretty thoroughly, and you'll have a discussion board question on it as well. Now let's head over to the assignments folder. The first two assignments are special to the end of class. The first one is your paper assignment. We've talked about this before, so it's not a surprise. The paper assignment is due on Tuesday, December 11th by 11:59 p.m. The paper instructions are provided here. They're also provided in your syllabus. I think most of you already are aware of this, but this is where you'll be submitting the paper. We've already talked about that. Next, you'll see the course evaluation. And you probably received an email on Sunday, December 9th regarding how to complete the course evaluation. If you could take a moment to complete that course evaluation, it's your way to provide anonymous feedback to myself and SPS regarding the course. If you didn't get that email, I have some instructions here on how to access the course evaluation. So I'd appreciate if you just take a few minutes to complete that. And then next up, we have our normal weekly assignments, the quiz and the discussion boards. So this week's quiz will cover chapters 10 and 14 in your textbook. Like normal, it'll have 10 questions. You'll have 30 minutes to complete all 10 questions. And in our last discussion board assignment, you'll have 2 prompts like normal. In one of the prompts, you'll be assessing your stress level through a survey and then sharing with the class. The second question is sharing with the class what was the most useful concept that you learned about in the course, and how will you continue to use that knowledge going forward in your life. And last but not least, this is my last video for the course, but this won't be our last contact, as I'll be sending out my usual reminders this week. I'll also send out an end of course email after the course ends, which is my reflections. So stay tuned for those. And as usual, if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks. Looking forward to our last week.